this video, I am going to be showing you how to draw anxiety from inside out too. So let's dive right into today's video. Hi friends, welcome back to ShehrozeCraftz. Today we are embarking on a super exciting and adventurous and special journey and drawing anxiety, which is the newest emotion from inside out too. So let's get started. And if you're new to the channel, hey there, I'm Shehroze and I'm your little artist and buddy, and whatever you want to call. And if you need any help at drawing or anything, you can just comment down below because I love replying to your happy and supportive comments. And now first of all, let's draw Anxiety's big, expressive and sparkly eyes. And did you know that the new movie Inside Out 2 has now surpassed the incredible and amazing movie Frozen 2, making it now the top 1 trending movie in the whole world. That's amazing. And also, it was my dad's birthday 2 days ago. So everyone please comment down below happy birthday dad so that my dad feels super happy. And now let's draw Anxiety's head. Notice the slightly worried expression. Each part of Anxiety's design helps us to tell the story of this emotion. It's all about capturing that feeling of unease. And also comment down below what your favorite emotion is. In my opinion, I think my favorite is joy, because we should always be happy and be positive. And now for those anxiety-giving hands, draw them as short as a little fragile stick. And anyways, how are you liking the new angle of this video? I think it's way better than the other, because now the drawing is being focused rather than the desk, and we can see it clearly. And also comment down below what emotion I should do next. And guess what? I have some really exciting news, which is, drumroll please, we just hit another milestone, 143 subscribers. Thank you so much to all your support, and I love you guys so much. And it's amazing that how far we've come from the start of our art journey till here. It was like 5 months ago. So thank you so much, and keep supporting me through my art journey, because we have amazing content coming your way. And also, if you haven't watched Inside Out 2 yet, Anxiety is a new character introduced in Inside Out 2, representing the complex emotion of worry and nervousness that many people experience. And congratulations friends on officially passing through the half of the video, exactly 3 minutes. Woo! That was a big achievement, and congrats! And your kindness will be appreciated, so don't worry. And if you do want to let me know that you've made it till here, this time, comment down below the shooting star emoji. And as I say that, we are now done with Anxiety's half body, and also a bit closer to the grand reveal. And Anxiety's design features a mix of cool colors like blue and purple, reflecting the calm yet tense nature of this emotion. And as the other emotions in the movie, Anxiety has a crucial role in helping Riley navigate stressful and uncertain situations. And now we're about to draw Anxiety's cool and vibrant clothes. And I really like the white and orange stripes on Anxiety's clothes. They're so vibrant. What do you think? Drop down in the comments down below. And I don't know if I'd be comfortable seeing someone with those hair. I mean, they're cool, but a bit of mess. And now let's start drawing Anxiety's cool shoes. Okay friends, we are almost there. Just 1 minute till the grand reveal. And it would be so cool if we had emotions like joy, sadness, anger, disgust, ennui, anxiety, envy, embarrassment, and who else is left? Oh, fear. Yup, your boy knows all the characters. But as I say that, we are now done with our emotion anxiety. But you guys know me, I don't like anything without color. So let's add some color. And now, in the count of 1, 2, 3. Hey, you stole my line. Okay, well, it's fine. And our anxiety is looking beautiful and magnifique. And please tell me how you liked today's drawing tutorial and like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and share it to your friends and family. Okay, for now, bye!